the 7th of September 2012. I'm at Canary Wharf in the London Docklands area. There's the Docklands Light Railway crossing over. There's another one. There are people enjoying themselves at a bar outside. There's Canary Wharf station over there. I'm just in London for the day and I'm on my way back to Euston Station shortly and catch the train back to Aberystwyth. There's a London black cab. Oh, there's several of them. I wanted to visit the Olympic Park, but I wasn't able to get tickets, so that's a shame. It's been a lovely, gorgeous day in London. 77 degrees they said it was going to go up to.